In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Klaviyo flows. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, look for the Flows option on your dashboard's sidebar menu. This is where you can access all of your automated sequences. Click on that, and you'll see a list of the various flows that you've set up. Once you have your list in front of you, locate the specific sequence that you want to check. For this example, let's say we're working with a happy birthday flow. Go ahead and click on it to open the flow editor. This is where you can make all the necessary adjustments and check everything thoroughly. Now that you're in the editor, take a moment to review your settings. Look over your email content, timings, and triggers to ensure everything is set just the way you want. This is a crucial step because any little mistake can impact how your flow works. After you've verified that everything looks good, find the Review and Turn On button in the upper right corner and click that. Now you're almost ready to go live. Next, you'll need to change the status of the flow from draft to live. You can do this by finding the status dropdown or toggle switch. This step officially prepares your flow to start triggering based on the conditions you've set up. Once that's done, it's time to save your progress. Click the Save button to lock in those live status updates. After saving, you'll see a confirmation pop up. Just click Dismiss to return to your dashboard canvas and see your flow in action. But before you unleash it to your entire email list, let's talk about some key testing best practices. It's a good idea to send internal tests first. Before sending your flow out to everyone, consider sending a test version of the emails directly to yourself or perhaps to a small seed list. This will give you the chance to catch any formatting issues or typos before your audience sees them. And even after you launch your flow, the testing doesn't stop there. Be sure to monitor your analytics post-launch. Pay close attention to your open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates right after your flow goes live. This will help you see if everything is executing smoothly and if you need to make any adjustments based on how your audience is interacting with your emails. So to recap, log into your Klaviyo account, navigate to the Flows section, open your target flow, review all settings, toggle the status to live, save your progress, and conduct internal testing before watching your analytics post-launch. Following these steps will ensure that your Klaviyo flows run effectively and engage your audience as intended.